Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very different type of pack opening. Instead of opening up a vintage baseball card pack, today I'm going to open up a NBA Top Shot Cool Cats pack. If you haven't heard of NBA Top Shot yet, NBA Top Shot is a new platform that has moments that are sort of like trading cards, but they're 5 to 10 second video clips of NBA players doing various plays like dunks and assists and three-pointers, things like that. NBA Top Shot launched in June of 2020 in a closed beta, and then in October of 2020, it launched in an open beta, and it's been growing like crazy, and it's really been huge in the month of January and now in early February. It's been really crazy, and it's been very difficult to get packs of any type in the last few week or so. In any case, I was able to get a Cool Cats pack. There were only 25,000 of them made, and they cost $14 a piece. And in the pack, you get one common Cool Cats moment, and you get four base set moments. And so today I'm going to be opening this up. I wasn't able to get it during a regular pack drop because they go in minutes or seconds. But there was a second chance raffle that I entered, and I just got these pack a few days ago. So today we're going to open it. So before we open it, I can show you we have an idea of what we may get in the pack. The one Cool Cats is one of these five moments: John Collins, Tobias Harris, Devin Booker, Derek Jones, or Rui Hashimura. There's 5,000 of them, and all serial numbered 1 to 5,000. Then beyond that, the four base cards can be any of these 88 moments. And you can see what serial numbers are left in the packs, and you can see how many they put in the Cool Cats pack. So you can see they vary a little bit. So for example, there are only 386 Anthony Edwards moments in these packs, serial number 1 to 3977. Whereas Eric Bledsoe, there's 1,300 of these moments in the packs. So 1,300 Eric Bledsoe, whereas there's only 386 Anthony Edwards. So that gives you an idea of what we may get in the pack. And beyond just collecting these moments, another reason this Cool Cats pack is special is there's a Cool Cats challenge. And what a challenge in NBA Top Shot is that if you collect 10 moments and hold them at expiration time, which is 6 days from now, you get a Luka Doncic Cool Cat moment. And so far I've gotten 3 out of the 10 moments. And what you need are these 10 moments. 5 of these are common base moments, and 5 of these only come from Cool Cats packs. And so to get these, that would mean I have to buy a minimum of 5 Cool Cat packs, but unfortunately I can't get a hold of any of them, so all I have is one. So if I really want to do this challenge, I need to get the other 4, and to get the other 4, I can go to the marketplace and buy them. Let's take a look at the marketplace, and we can see how much these Cool Cat moments cost if you don't get them in packs. This is the minimum price that it costs to buy one of these moments. So Devin Booker is minimum 345, 245, 240, 260, and 248. So as you can see, these Cool Cat moments are very expensive and will cost you more than $1,000 to collect all 5 of them if you don't have the packs to get them. So it is an expensive proposition. So anyway, I have a pack, and here we are. This is the Cool Cat pack, and we will take a look, and let's open it and see what we can get. So here we have the pack. So let's open it and let's see what we can get out of our common pack. So I'll click the open button here, and let's have some sound. And let's click open. So they have a few messages here. Hopefully you can hear me. So I think if I hover over, I can see. Nope, I can't tell which one is the Cool Cat. So I'm just going to open them up and let's see what we can get. First one, Kendrick Nunn, serial number 7164. 7164. Next, three-pointer, DeMarcus Boogie Cousins, 5576. Sorry, I didn't let you watch the whole moment. Here's the Boogie Cousins moment. Three-pointer. All right, here's the third one. Damian Lillard, 6,000 out of 7,500, which is a limited one. It's not unlimited common, so that's pretty good. All right. Another common, Chris Middleton, 7149 out of 15,000 plus, and more may be coming out. Playing against the Bulls. All right, the moment we've been waiting for, Cool Cats. Let's see which of the five that we get. Rui Hachimura, number 979 out of 5,000. Another one against the Bulls. There you have it. That's what I got in my Cool Cats pack, five moments. So let's go back here and see what Rui Hachimura is. So it's $260. So I have one of the five Cool Cats, and now I have to decide whether I want to try to buy up these other four to complete the Cool Cats challenge. So at least I have a $260 moment from my $14 pack. So not bad. So there it is. Cool Cats pack. My 5 moments. And that's about it. Tell me what you think about this NBA Top Shot and leave any comments, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more baseball card pack openings. But in any case, here's NBA Top Shot. So hope you enjoy.